The 2027 BMW 7 Series is shattering every expectation with a staggering price tag starting at $125,000. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it is a rolling statement of absolute dominance that looks like it arrived from the next century. Forget everything you know about automotive design. We are looking at a machine that redefines the pinnacle of German engineering. Buckle up, because this spaceship is ready for takeoff right now. BMW has officially abandoned the status quo. The 2027 7 Series features a radical, aerodynamic silhouette that screams futuristic aggression. The front fascia is dominated by a massive, illuminated kidney grille that acts as a beacon of high-tech intent. Flanking this centerpiece are ultra-slim, crystal-embedded LED headlights that adapt to the environment with surgical precision. Every line of the bodywork has been sculpted in a wind tunnel to achieve an incredibly low drag coefficient, ensuring that this beast cuts through the air like a blade. The flush door handles emerge only when needed, maintaining a seamless, uninterrupted profile that looks like liquid metal under the sun. At the rear, the wraparound light bar creates a signature glow that is unmistakable, even from a mile away. The stance is wider, lower, and more imposing than any predecessor. It is not just a car, it is a visual manifesto of power. BMW has successfully turned a luxury flagship into a kinetic sculpture that commands total attention on every single street corner. Step inside and the world outside simply ceases to exist. The cabin is a sanctuary of silence and cutting-edge minimalism. BMW has replaced traditional clutter with a massive curved glass interface that spans the entire dashboard, housing both the driver display and the primary infotainment hub. The seats are upholstered in a revolutionary, sustainable vegan leather that feels softer than the finest traditional hides. Ambient lighting is woven directly into the fabric of the doors and dashboard, creating a customizable atmosphere that reacts to your driving mood. Rear passengers are treated to the theater experience, featuring a massive 31-inch cinematic screen that descends from the ceiling, turning the back seat into a private lounge. The panoramic glass roof is etched with intricate light patterns, making the interior feel infinite. Every touchpoint is finished in brushed aluminum or open-pore wood, reflecting a level of craftsmanship that justifies the premium. It is a masterclass in digital integration, proving that comfort and technology can coexist in perfect, serene harmony. Under the hood, the 2027 7 Series is a powerhouse of innovation. The flagship model utilizes a state-of-the-art dual-motor electric powertrain that delivers a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower. This allows the massive sedan to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.5 seconds. The torque delivery is instantaneous, pinning you into your seat with unrelenting force. Handling is managed by an advanced adaptive air suspension system that scans the road surface ahead, adjusting the damping rates in milliseconds to ensure a ride that feels like gliding on air. Despite its size, the rear-wheel steering system gives it the agility of a compact sports car, making tight city maneuvers feel effortless. The battery technology has also seen a massive leap, offering an impressive range of 400 miles on a single charge. When you need to replenish, the ultra-fast charging architecture allows you to add 150 miles of range in just 10 minutes. This is not just about raw speed, it is about the seamless, effortless application of power that makes every journey feel like a grand tour of the future. The most mind-blowing secret of the 2027 model is the proprietary AI-driven pilot system. This goes far beyond standard cruise control. The car utilizes a suite of LiDAR sensors hidden behind the grille to map the environment in 3 dimensions. It can autonomously navigate complex traffic patterns, execute lane changes with zero driver input, and even park itself in tight spots while you stand safely on the sidewalk using your smartphone. This system learns your preferred routes and driving style. Luxury at this level requires a significant investment. In the US, the 2027 7 Series starts at $125,000, positioning it firmly in the ultra-luxury segment. For those in the UK, expect pricing to begin at approximately £105,000. UAE buyers can expect to pay around 460,000 dirhams for the base configuration. In Canada, the entry price is set at $170,000, while Australian customers will see starting figures near $200,000. These figures reflect the immense engineering and bespoke materials packed into every unit. Given the limited production run for the inaugural year, these prices are expected to hold strong, making the 2027 model a potential collector's item for those who demand the very best. The 2027 BMW 7 Series proves that the future of the flagship sedan is bright, bold, and incredibly fast. It is a bold leap forward that sets a new benchmark for every competitor in the industry. Do you think this spaceship design will age well? Or is BMW taking too much of a risk? Let us know your honest thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest automotive tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we are getting behind the wheel of a hypercar that costs double this.